Hi students, my name is Dr. Ashish Sachan. I am a faculty for general surgery in ACE exams. I am a gastrointestinal surgeon. I will be telling you how I prepared for my exam, what all problems I have faced and how I was able to clear the exam successfully. Did my MBBS from SN Medical College, Agra. Then I did my post graduation in general surgery from Maulana Azad Medical College. And after that, I did my MCH in GI surgery from GB Pant Hospital, New Delhi. When I was doing my MBBS, I was very much concerned whether I'll be able to get a PG seat or how to crack the exam to get a PG seat. For that, what I did was initially in my pre-final, I joined a coaching institute and I did a full subject coaching that time. When I was doing my internship, that time I did one test and discussion from a different coaching institute. Then I combined the material of both the institutes along with my notes, what all questions I have done. I have combined all together and I have made subject wise notes for each subject. I was able to revise my own notes in 2 to 3 days. For a single subject, I was able to complete the whole subject in 2 days or 3 days. Because of that, I was able to finish whole of the course in 1 month or maximum in 1.5 months time. So what I personally believe is that due to this multiple times re-revision, I was able to crack the exam. What helped me was teachers from both the institutes. What I thought was it is better to read few points and multiple times. And that is what I believe. That is what I did in my PG entrance exam and my MCH entrance exam. In my opinion, what we are giving here in ACE exams is we are giving already the screenshot notes and the notes that I have prepared along with the recorded videos and the question bank. So you can use those question banks along with those notes. Whatever questions you are unable to solve, you can add those questions in the notes itself. You will be able to revise quickly. Whatever important point you are finding from the textbook or from other previous year questions, you can add in those notes such that you'll be able to revise your subject quickly. You'll be able to cover all of the important points. Rather than reading multiple books for a single subject, it is better to read a single thing which you have combined from all the different books. I believe ACE exams will help you a lot in your preparation. All the best for your exams.